Hi everyone, this is John from YouShoot UK. Another video today. This is going to be on my Buffalo River ammo safe. This is the digital keypad version. Really happy with this. So yeah, stay tuned. It'll be an unboxing. I've got a bit of an unboxing part of the video. I'll then talk about installation, and after that, I'll run through how you use it, what the storage looks like, and how much you can fit in there. All right, thanks. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's a nice box, looks cool. I've currently got, that's a 10 gun, I think it's platinum, but it's really nice. I'll show you that later. But that's this. So if we open it up, it's got a nice knife too. Okay, so it's fairly big, bigger than I thought. Okay, so I've just got it out. Got the keys and batteries. Looks pretty cool. What comes with it? Looks good. The keypad. There's documents in there. Okay, and to put the batteries in, it's in here. Get these out. You can see underneath is where the key would go. Takes 4 AA's which came with it. There's a little beep there. No, it's not on. There we go. Okay. And there we go. Good size. Looks nice. You ain't got a flash on in there. No. So that's quite nice, they give you these too. Looks very good. Looks really nice, not sure where I'm going to put it yet. But it looks nice. Like that, bit of shine to it. Looks good. Okay, so on this part of the video I'm going to talk about how the safe works, and we'll also look at capacity, how much you can fit in there. I'm not sure of the exact dimensions. I'll type that into the comments. Well, yeah, I'll put it in the comments or on the video description. But yeah, we'll run through this now. Just as an FYI, I do actually own the Big Brother, so it looks quite nice. So that's a Platinum 10 gun, digital combination lock again. If you do want a video review on that one, I will. But this ammo safe is brand new to me, which is why I've done the unboxing. I won't have an unboxing on this one, but I can run through, yeah, my thoughts on that. If we go back to this one, nice and simple to use. You type in your code, of course, followed by the hash. I'll do that now. Press hash key, and then it'll unlock. Got some nice big bolts on there, and yeah, that's the inside of the safe. I've only put 6 in there at the moment, 6 boxes, just to show that that's the sort of capacity per layer. So you've got 6 in there now. If I grab a few more, just to demonstrate. You can fit a lot more in there. So if you can see here, I've got some at the back. I've got 3 layers. You've got 6 boxes by 3. So you're looking at 18 boxes. You need to be aware and make sure that because the door's thicker, that the door will close, but it closes with loads of clearance. So you should be able to see there. You've got a lot of room, and to demonstrate, you've got no issues whatsoever. And then of course you'd lock it to lock it again. But that's how it works. Super nice. I think it looks really nice and tidy. Bigger than I thought. That's a lot of rounds you'll get in there. What's this, 25 cartridges in each. Looks nice. It looks nice alongside that safe too. I quite like that there's one silver and one sort of bronze colour. And yeah, if we look at that, that's got quite a nice shine to it. And then when you get it, it'll be pre-installed, preloaded with a generic code. All you need to do to change that, there's a button in there. You press that button, put in your own code, followed by the hash, and then that's your new code. So you'd want to do that straight away. And then behind here is access to the key. So it does come with some spare keys, as I showed on the video. That's what you can use if your batteries run out, for example. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Really nice looking. So yeah, strongly recommend. I haven't had it too long. It works perfectly for me. So I've got to store, with my next stage of my license, I've got to store certain ammunition away from the guns. This does have a separate lockable compartment at the top, this safe. However, I don't think it would be quite big enough, hence why I've gone for this. So yeah, nice and tidy, really good, strongly recommend. And yeah, overall really like it.